You see this right here? That's what we call bruising. That's what we call bruising. Now in a few days, that'll be brown. Right now it don't look too good. In 4 or 5 days, it looks like it's gonna be deteriorated pretty bad. Of course, you can see the leaves on the ground that the wind has actually blowed off. At this stage, tobacco is what we call overripe. So anytime it gets overripe, past maturity we call it, then something like this, it'll deteriorate it a lot quicker. It's going to be at least probably 4 to 5 days before we can get in the field. So that's just going to add to the deterioration of the crop. Maybe even by that time, it may not even be harvestable. You know, it may be to the point that we say, well, it's not any good. Peanuts, because they fruit in the ground, they could be damaged by the too much rain. Some of my neighbors and some of my friends, and we all faced the same thing. Got back in the field, got cotton in the field, corn, peanuts, and we're all up against the same situation. Millions and millions of dollars, maybe even billions. I mean, I can't put a figure on it, but statewide in both states, North Carolina, South Carolina, it could be billions of dollars. We've seen hurricanes before. We've stormed Matthew, Fran, Hazel in '54. I was 6 months old. I heard my parents talk about how bad it was. And I think this one, they're comparing this storm to Hazel in '54.